Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I love Blythe dolls. Love, love, love them. Have you seen these little PopMarts? This is my hand. This is an average pair of scissors. They're smaller than a midi, and they have a little pull string. Check it out. Their little eyes change direction and color. Oh my goodness. I love them. So I had bought one, and Beth Ramsden and I were talking about them, and she invited me to do a collab. That's coming up Friday, this coming Friday, the 26th. And we are going to custom a PopMart, and it's really going to be a fun collab. You won't want to miss either channel. So I need to get her out and get her head taken apart. And I'll be honest with you, with my hand strength and little bitty pieces, my dear husband is going to take her apart. And it's a good day to get her sprayed. But let's take a look at the strawberry dress PopMart doll. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Beth had asked me to do this collab, and I actually bought this doll just for this collab some time ago. Oh my God, she's so cute. Beth has one of these dolls that she has done a custom to, and it is adorable. I'm not sure which eyes I like best. Maybe those. These little dolls come with an extra set of hands, little fists, a pair of shoes, and this stand. I want to show you this stand. It is a gripper stand, and let me see. You put the doll in it and then grip around the waist depending on what the doll is wearing. Like if you have a coat on her, of course it's wider. This is really cute. You can store your extra hands and shoes inside that stand. I really like that stand. One other cool thing about these dolls, yeah, I have a few pair. I need black. I'm going to need black. Let's pull a black out. These dolls fit into a midi Blythe size shoe. Well, I don't have it lined up right, but that's what my girl has been wearing. There it goes, and clickety click, it's on. These are the ones that Darren makes for my middies. He calibrated these shoes because I'm always talking about, oh, I need shoes. You know how it is. So come see this girl on Friday at 6 a.m. Central, and be sure to go by Beth's channel too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.